feelings, trying to memorize them in your body. And put it in front of you. Observe your body, how it feels.
It's a very good exercise. It gives you professionalism as a performer or rather an actor. So you have to connect with your mind and connect with the role, understand it. Like you said, think of a person and imitate that person, think like that person. Then you become that person. You let go of yourself and become that person mentally.
I'm beginning to understand that emotions are a sort of language on their own. We actually learned how to control our emotions. Artists, you captivate the people with your emotions. As an artist, they see your emotion. They're supposed to feel how you feel. They're supposed to understand you. Just by looking at you, your emotion is supposed to speak to them.